going to LA. It's cold, you can see my breath.
We're gonna fly. Riley's mad because she's supposed to get a surprise, but she has not gotten her surprise. So I'm gonna go give the airport people a talking to.
I'd like to welcome you to Los Angeles, where the local time is 8:10 p.m.
Welcome to Los Angeles. Oh, that's awkward because you can't hear my music. I'm sorry, I didn't get your name.
Philemon.
Oh, thank you, Phil.
Oh,
how do you
thank
say it
you.
again? Philemon.
Philemon.
Philemon, thank
Emma, you guys take care. Have fun, honey, okay? Alright. Take care, okay?
Okay.
Guess who's the guest at Jimmy's Coordinate?
Who?
50 Cent.
Are you serious? Do you guys even know who that is?
No, hardly.
You doing, Ryan?
I love my toothbrush in Minnesota.
Oh. Guys, a palm tree.
Walking to the Metro Gold Line so that we can get a
It's
ride
kinda
to the places we need to go. We're gonna go to Santa Monica Pier today.
So pretty.
And I just love there's so many really, really tall palm trees just randomly in the middle of nowhere. And it's so beautiful. We arrived in Santa Monica and everything's yellow. And yeah, it's magical, isn't it?
I really want to go in Bloomingdale's. It's too tempting not to.
So like the circus things, you have to grab that. That requires
Oh my god! I'm just kidding.
and my smile.
Wait. This is crazy, guys. I can't believe we're here. Honestly though, the key to a good vacation is finding the right person to take your group photos.
I wasn't sure where that was going. I thought you were gonna say is like, you have to find the right people to go with. No. I wouldn't blame you if you hated me.
There. Gucci.
Emma. We're at CBS Studios and we're waiting in the cold. It's not that cold. No,
It's freezing.
It's warmer in the sun, but we're not in the sun. It's warm today, actually. We're gonna see 50 Cent and some politician
They didn't
lady.
even know who it was. Don't let them
I
fool
did.
you.
I recognized him. I knew he was cool. So, yeah.
Move away from the clock?
He's so good to me. You're my therapy.
Don't look at Chris.
Emma, Scott Hellman is playing in California. Scott Hellman does not play in California, I thought.
Apparently he does.
And you go a little swoosh swoosh till you get a good part. And then you run your hand through it a couple times. You feel how it feels. You wrap it around once, do a little half wrap, wrap it around again, and do a little pull pull.
Okay, but I also had like 4 extra inches on that. The way the train comes, I want you to do that pose again so I can get, I'm trying to coach on
I'm
pictures.
just getting the candid videos.
Okay.
The
Unless
life
it's coming
of
from that
waiting
way.
for the subway.
That's what I said, that like be ready.
Oh, like turn this way?
Like,
Emma
stand
won't
on
let
the
me
side
eat
of the
this
sign.
macaroon because we have to get pictures.
Riley?
He's saying that's gonna be on with the unit. Fuck Lloyd Banks, 1 get that pussy straight.
It's Katie's first time eating a macaroon.
And she picks the red one. That's hilarious. What do you think? you want to
It's
try?
a lot softer than I thought it would be.
Do you want to try a bite of mine? Because I kind of want to try a bite of Riley's. So
Okay,
I
we
feel
can
like
share.
if we all give a bite, it'll be a good idea. Oh my god. Oh, I wasn't pressing the video button the whole time. I missed all of that.
Action.
Emma Haywood here. On today's episode of National Geographic, we have caught a Riley Evie Sarah Mose in one of her more common mating rituals. As you can see, far along the coast yonder, she is searching for decent sand. This sand will be used as a gift to Tegan. This gift will enhance their love, therefore augmenting their chances of reprocreation. That means having babies, right?
I don't know.
Of having babies.
She's looking for sand. I don't know if she's found any yet. Still searching. I don't know. Do you see any, Emma?
I don't know. There's
I don't know if I
not a lot of
see-
options for sand here.
We're here at Santa Monica Pier. Great place for sand. Oh, and I think she's coming back now.
I wonder if she got the good sand.
She's returning.
Did you get the good stuff?
I got it. What did you get? Good stuff. The good stuff?
Let's see.
Want to see my loot?
I don't think that's enough, Riley.
Just for Tegan. I love him.
Oh my god.
And I miss
Love.
him.
The things love makes
I
you
miss
do.
him. I walked in the sand in my runners for him. Should we try to get into that club that he said we did?
They match.
What do you feel about the Lambos?
I don't really have an appreciation for cars.
They match.
They're so pretty. How much do you think those cars Do you think they'll give us a ride somewhere? No. Uber?
Uber? I think those cars cost.
I'll go ask them.
Something like you, what do you guys?
Thank you.
But like, what do you feel like doing?
Because like then we can make a plan.
But that was low-key us earlier today. Milkshake brings all the boys to your
You know you're on vacation when
It's
you
better
have
than yours.
a milkshake, gelato, and cheesecake all in the same
And a
bowl.
macaron.
Oh, I forgot.
And a macaron.
The macaroon was not very good.
It was
It
delicious.
was so delicious.
Katie, I don't think I'll ever have one again.
Adventures? Are you recording me?
Yeah, so make a good toast.
I'm really bad at toasts,
Woo!
but I do like them with peanut butter.
Oh my god,
That
Kate.
was a dad joke.
I could make a better toast.
No,
To health and happiness. Drink.
hold on.
Oh my
No one
god.
drinks till toast is done. So
It hasn't even started yet.
we had a good day. We had nice, really comfortable feet. And I just want to cheers to that because
Hold.
it's about being
Comfortable
comfortable.
I thought I was going outside.
Okay,
of your
cheers. Cheers. Cling cling. No.
This might end badly.
Ready?
No, no.
Katie!
Okay, what's the plan
I think
for the
we
day?
should go down to the lower level and go on the Mummy ride and the Jurassic Park ride first because they're really, really fun rides that are going to have long lines later. And yes, the Harry Potter ride will have a long line later,
Should
but
we stop here and get a picture?
the Harry Potter lineup is cooler
like you walk through
Oh,
Hogwarts
there's more
and
to
stuff,
look.
right? So,
Yeah,
like,
I agree.
You know what I mean? So I don't care if we have to wait in line. Like it is a really long lineup, but it's
I don't really
cooler
care where
lineup.
we go.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
I think we
you're
should
the-
go, and like if we can go on the Mummy one twice in a row
You're the
with a
season
shortish
pro,
line, that
so
would be amazing because
yeah.
I love the Mummy ride. So
It is really fun. I remember it from Florida.
Now what
So
do I do?
we are on our way to, this is not an appropriate time to vlog, I think. Riley's kind of
No.
stressed, but you shouldn't stress because we're on our way to Universal. We're gonna see lots of fun things. Have
Should I
lots
call
of
my
fun.
voicemail again? And see if I didn't get the voicemail because there was no service.
It's okay, Riley.
I got soaking wet.
I want my house to look like this when I'm older.
It could be walking through this room right now. In a way that
Do the dance.
My first time doing this. I didn't buy health insurance.
Look at how we're sitting. I think I get the best of it.
We're complaining about how we're good at filming.
already. Oh. It's so pretty.
You tired yet?
I'm liking the brakes, but it's good.
You tired yet?
No.
Oh my goodness. How about you, Katie?
I'm doing alright though.
It's hot.
Is it video?
Yeah.
So we're walking up the steepness of the mountains, kind of hills-ish thing.
I'm gonna say hi.
Hello.
Huffing and puffing.
You having fun? Yeah. Little snack break.
you belong with Slytherin. Ravenclaw.
That's where all the celebrities come on. This is so cool.